Questioner. Is there a manifestation of love that we could call vibration? Ra. I am Ra. Again we're each semantic difficulties. The vibration or density of love or understanding is not a term used in the same sense as the second distortion, love, the distortion love being the great activator and primal co-creator of various creations using intelligent infinity, the vibration love being that density in which those who have learned to do an activity called loving without significant distortion then seek the ways of light or wisdom. Thus in vibratory sense love comes into light in the sense of the activity of unity in its free will. Love uses light and has the power to direct light in its distortions. Thus vibratory complexes recapitulate and reverse the creation in its unity, thus showing the rhythm or flow of the great heartbeat, if you will use this analogy. Questioner. I will make a statement that I have extracted from the physics of Dewey Larson which may or may not be close to what we are trying to explain. Larson says that all is motion which we can take has vibration, and that vibration, which is pure vibration, and is not physical, in any way, or in any form, or in any density, that vibration, by first product of that vibration is what we call the photon, particle of light. I was trying to make an analogy between this physical solution and the concept of love and light. Is this close to the concept of love creating light, or not? Ra. I am Ra. You are correct. Questioner. Then I will expand a bit more on this concept. We have the infinite vibration of love which can occur, I am assuming, at varying frequencies, if this has any meaning, in this, and I would assume that it begins at one basic frequency. Does this have any meaning? Am I making sense? Is this correct? Ra. I am Ra. Each love, as you term the prime movers, comes from one frequency, if you wish to use this term. This frequency is unity. We would perhaps liken it rather to a strength, and a frequency, this strength being infinite, the finite qualities being chosen by the particular nature of this primal movement. Questioner. Then this vibration which is, for lack of better understanding, which we would call pure motion, it is pure love, it is nothing, that is yet condensed, shall we say, to form any type of density of illusion. This love then creates by this process of vibration a photon, as we call it, which is the basic particle of light. This photon then, by added vibrations and rotations, further condenses into particles of the densities, the various densities, that we experience. Is this correct? Ra. I am Ra. This is correct. Questioner. Now, this, then light which forms the densities has what we call color. This color is divided into 7 categories. Can you tell me if there is a reason or explanation for these categories of color? Ra. I am Ra. This will be the last complete question of this session, as this instrument is low on vital energy. We will answer briefly, and then you may question further in consequent sessions. The nature of the vibratory patterns of your universe is dependent upon the configurations placed upon the original material or light by the focus or love using its intelligent energy to create a certain pattern of illusions or densities in order to satisfy its own intelligent estimate of a method of knowing itself. Thus the colors, as you call them, are as straight, or narrow, or necessary, as is possible to express, given the will of love. There is further information which we shall be happy to share by answering your questions. However, we do not wish to deplete this instrument. Is there a short query necessary before we leave? Questioner. The only thing I need to know is there anything we can do to make the instrument more comfortable, or to help her, or the contact? Ra. I am Ra. This instrument is slightly uncomfortable. Perhaps a simpler configuration of the body would be appropriate given the instrument's improving physical complex condition. I am Ra. You are conscientious in your endeavors? We shall be with you. We leave you now in the love and in the light of the one infinite Creator. Rejoice, therefore, in the power and the peace of the one infinite Creator. Adonai.